Google DeepMind just made an AI image cost about 3 cents and land in under 4 seconds. It's called Gemini Image Flash-Lite, and it generates, edits, and composes pictures roughly 2.7 times faster than the model it replaces, for a fraction of the price. That combination changes what you can actually build, and there's one number later that makes it almost silly. First, let's watch it work on your phone. Here's the setup. Gemini Image Flash-Lite, its codename is Nano Banana 2 Lite, is Google DeepMind's fastest and most efficient image model. It's the small, cheap sibling of the full Nano Banana 2, tuned so you can generate and edit at high volume without watching a spinner or a bill climb. Think about how you actually use images in a product. Avatars, thumbnails, variations, previews, hundreds of little assets. Paying premium prices and waiting 20 seconds for each of those never made sense. The whole idea here is that image generation stops being a special, expensive event and becomes something you can call thousands of times inside a normal app, in a normal loop. Same family, same quality bar, just built for speed and scale. Start with speed because it's the headline. The previous Flash image model took around 20 seconds to produce a picture. Flash-Lite does it in about 4. That's not a tweak, that's a category change, roughly 2.7 times faster. Fast enough that generation feels interactive instead of a coffee break. And that speed compounds. When a result comes back in 4 seconds, you iterate. You try 10 prompts instead of 1, you branch on the good ones, and you stay inside the creative idea rather than context switching away while you wait. 20 seconds breaks your focus, 4 seconds keeps you in flow. Speed would be pointless if it only did one trick, so here's the range. Flash-Lite handles 3 things through a single drop-in API. Text to image, so you type a prompt and get a picture. Editing, so you hand it an existing image and describe the change. And multi-image composition, so it can blend several inputs into one coherent result. It holds character consistency across edits, and it draws on real-world knowledge, so a prompt for a specific object or place actually looks right, not generic. That third one, composition, is the sleeper feature. Hand it a product shot and a logo, and ask it to place one onto the other. And it does it in a single call instead of a Photoshop session. Let's actually run it. One call generates a 1024 image, and it reports the timing and cost right back to you, under 4 seconds, 1100 odd tokens, about 3 cents. Then, instead of regenerating from scratch, we edit that same image with a plain English instruction and the subject stays consistent. That loop, generate, look, tweak, look again, is the thing that used to be painfully slow. Here it's basically real time. So what do you give up going light? Less than you'd expect. Against the full Nano Banana 2, Flash-Lite trades a little top-end fidelity for a massive win on speed and cost. Both post strong ELO scores on the Arena leaderboards for generation and editing. The full model is still the one you reach for on hero shots that need maximum detail. But for the other 90%, thumbnails, variations, product mockups, drafts, Flash-Lite gets you there in a quarter of the time and a fraction of the money. Now that number I promised. Image output runs at $30 per million tokens, and a standard 1024 image uses about 1120 tokens. Do the math, and one image costs roughly 3.5 cents. That means 1,000 images costs you about $34, the price of a nice lunch, for 1,000 finished pictures. Compare that to the old world, where a single high-end generation could cost real money, and you rationed every call. At this rate, generating images stops being a budget line you agonize over and becomes something you just do, freely, inside your product. You can even let users generate on demand without sweating the invoice. Getting to it is easy, because it's everywhere Gemini already lives. There's a Flash-Lite mode right in the Gemini app if you just want to play. Google AI Studio gives you a prompt and C playground in the browser. The Gemini API is the drop-in for your own code. And Vertex AI covers the enterprise side with the governance and scale big teams need. Same model, 4 front doors. Pick whichever matches how you like to build. And this is exactly why working creators are excited about it. The bottleneck in image work was never really imagination. It was the weight and the cost of trying things. Drop both to near zero, and the whole rhythm of the work changes. You explore more, you commit later, you keep momentum. One creator put it better than I can. Cheap and fast does not mean a free-for-all. Every image Flash-Lite produces carries an invisible SynthID watermark, so AI-generated pictures can be identified downstream even after edits. On top of that, Google runs extensive content safety filtering, data labeling, and evaluations including child safety checks. It's the boring, important layer that has to be there when a model this easy to use is handed to millions of people. Now let's be fair about what it can't do. because no model is magic. Flash-Lite still struggles with very small faces, and with rendering accurate text inside an image, the classic weak spots. It can misread complex data or charts, and heavy edits or blends of many images can leave visible artifacts. Character consistency is strong, but it's not a guarantee. For most work, these are minor annoyances you route around with a second pass. For pixel-perfect typography, legal-grade accuracy, or a crowd of tiny faces, that's your signal to reach for the full Nano Banana 2 instead. Knowing where the line is half of using it well. If you want to kick the tires, the fastest path is the browser. Open the Flash-Lite model page, jump into AI Studio, and type a prompt. You'll have an image before you finished reading the result. From there, wiring it into your own code is a single API call. Here's the model page and docs that walk through every mode and the exact pricing. So here's the whole thing in 4 numbers, about 4 seconds per image, roughly 2.7 times faster than the model before it, around 3.5 cents per picture, and one API that does generation, editing, and composition together. That's the real case for Flash-Lite. Not that it's the most powerful image model on Earth, but that it's fast and cheap enough to fundamentally change how often you reach for one. That's Gemini Image Flash-Lite, near-instant, near-free image generation and editing in one API, watermarked and ready to scale. It's live in the Gemini app, AI Studio, the API, and Vertex now. If this was useful, subscribe to Prism Labs for more hands-on model breakdowns. I'll see you in the next one.